Barbell rear delt row. To improve shoulder stability and posture, it is a very good exercise to grow your rear deltoid and upper back as well as the trapezius muscle. Stand with your knees slightly bent, hang at your hips and keep your back straight. Bringing the barbell or easy bar up to your upper abdominal muscle and squeeze your shoulder blade together. You can do 3 sets and 8 to 12 repetitions. Smith machine shoulder press. This is a very good shoulder exercise to strengthen the upper body and grow the shoulder as well as the tricep muscle. Performing them on the machine also keeps your form perfect. Sit on the bench of the Smith machine with your back supported, holding the barbell of the Smith machine at shoulder width. Press the barbell upward, then squeeze the shoulder muscle, and then with the control form, bringing the barbell down toward the upper chest. Perform 3 sets and 8 to 12 repetitions. Neutral grip dumbbell shoulder press. Engage the deltoid, trapezius and tricep muscle, promoting balanced shoulder development. As shown in the video, sit on the bench with your back supported and hold the dumbbell at shoulder height with neutral grip. This is a variation of dumbbell shoulder press. In this, whenever you press the dumbbell upward, squeeze the shoulder muscle and slowly bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. One-arm cable lateral raises. Isolate the lateral deltoid, enhancing shoulder width and definition. Stand side away in front of the cable machine. Attach the single handle to the lower lock of the machine. Bend the elbow of the hand. Raise the handle to the side to shoulder level. And with the control form, slowly bringing the handle to the starting position. You can do 3 sets of this and 10 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Bent over cable reverse fly. Target rear deltoid and upper back muscle. Improve posture and reducing the risk of shoulder injury. First of all, stand in bent over position in the middle of cross cable machine by bending your hips and knees and keeping your back straight. Holding the handle of the machine with cross hand and raise your hand to the side. Then squeeze your rear deltoid and upper back muscle together. You can also perform this exercise with the dumbbell in the same position and do 3 sets and 10 to 15 reps. Dumbbell front raises. Work the anterior deltoid. You can perform this exercise sitting or standing. Bend the elbow slightly and hold the dumbbell in front of you and lift the dumbbell up to the shoulder height. Then squeeze the front shoulder muscle. Without jerking, lower the dumbbell to the starting position. Perform 3 to 4 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Dumbbell shrugs. Focus on the trapezius muscle, improving upper back strength and stability. Stand straight with dumbbell in both hands according to your strength. Raise the shoulder up to the ears. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and squeeze the trapezius muscle well. Then bringing the shoulder to the starting position with control form. You can also perform this exercise with barbell. Perform 3 sets and 8 to 12 repetitions.